In this video, I will show you how you can connect Porkbun domain to your Netlify. So it's very easy. Firstly, you want to open project in Netlify to which you want to add your domain. So I have this simple calculator, and then you want to click on domain management on the left side. And from here, you have the option to add a domain. So click on it, then add a domain you already own. And here you need to paste your Porkbun domain. So I'm going to quickly copy it and paste it here. Then click on verify. So your domain has been found and you just need to click on add domain. And now it's showing me it's pending DNS verification. So if you click on this pending DNS verification, from here you need to add this first record. So firstly you can add alias, a-name or flattened CNAME record to this value. So you need to add this value, or you can also create a record. So if your DNS provider does not support alias, a-name or flattened CNAME, use this fallback option. So point a record to this value. So let's say I'm gonna create a record in Porkbun. So I'm gonna copy this value, then go to Porkbun and hover your mouse over your domain, then click on this small DNS. And from here, you want to choose type A, so address record. Host, you can leave this blank and then paste the value, then click add. And now if you scroll, you should see your record here, and make sure to delete your existing A and CNAME record if you have one, because it can mess your records and then it might not work. So delete those records and keep only the record you added. And then the second record is this one. It's this www, and it should be CNAME. So CNAME is type, name is www, and this is the value. So copy the value, choose CNAME. It's this one, and then in host type www and paste the value, then click add, and this should add the second record like this. And if you refresh the site on Netlify right now, as you can see, this www DNS record has been verified, and it's showing me it's green like this. And there is no longer this pending DNS verification. So it's only on this primary domain. So this primary domain might take longer to verify. As you can see, I just refreshed it again and now it's connected. So if I click on project overview, and now if I open my website, it should be working. So this is how you can connect Porkbun domain to Netlify. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.